नाशिल्लें. सो ताजेर
खबर ना.
इन्वेस्टिगेशन कितें चालू आहा तुमचे वटेनच्यान डिपार्टमेंटा कडल्यान?
I have sought a report from the fisheries officers at the block level.
सो फुडें एक्शन कितें जातली म्हणल्यार तुमचे कडल्यान फ्रॉम डिपार्टमेंट?
I will put up whatever report comes to the government for their.
मॅडम हो तूं रिपोर्ट यू वील पुट अप म्हणटा तुमचो डिपार्टमेंट कितें करपाक आसा?
See the. We will write to the GCZMA if they have given the permission and tell them that this particular area at Caranzalem is for fishermen because they are doing rampon fishing there, traditional fishermen. So.
आता तुमचे फिशरी डिपार्टमेंट इतले अकार्यक्षम तुमचे कडेन जे ब्रिडींग पिरियड खंय आसा तेजो डेटाच ना जाल्यार कित्या खातीर हो फिशरी डिपार्टमेंट चलपाक जाय? आतां तुमी सांगला न्ही ताका ना म्हणून.
Breeding area notified, it is not notified by the department, but it will be notified under the GCZMA, the fish breeding sites. So that is already given to the GCZMA also, the fish breeding sites.
Ma'am, when such events happen, they doesn't take a permission of fishery department?
Beach events, then no one takes permission from us.
They don't require the permission?
It comes under tourism department or?
See, even if we give an NOC, it is always with the interest of the fishermen that they should not hamper any fishing activity. Okay. So the associations, they are usually taken into confidence whenever there is any event going on the beach. Now this particular event, I think the local fishermen also were not aware. Even the fisheries department was not aware.
But they required a permission. But they required a permission.
Only restrict to this particular activity.
But they required a permission for this.
At least an NOC they should have taken from the department, so that at least we could inform the associations that this particular event is happening. Because when the rampon net is put, then it becomes difficult for them to pull it out. They have to pull it out. Otherwise, they can lose the net.
मॅडम तुमचे एक्शन कितें आसतलें? म्हणटा गव्हर्मेंटा कडेन पुट अप करता तुमी डिपार्टमेंट
See, I have already spoken and that's enough.
ओके, थँक्यू.
Thank you, ma'am.
तुम्ही पळयतात गोंयकारपण, गोंयकारांचो गोंयकारा खातीर.